Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can unlink captions from your project in CapCut. In order to do so, here we are in CapCut, and the first thing you're going to want to do is create your project and then import your media. Once you have imported your media, then you're going to want to look for the captions option up here in the menu. Once you have selected that, then here you're going to see an option that says delete current captions. You can go ahead and click that and check the box. However, keep in mind that this function is only available with the Pro subscription. So if you have the Pro subscription and you want to remove the captions, then you can go ahead and click on the generate button, and CapCut will then remove those captions for you. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.